What's up, y'all? It's Kia. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing this fall look for you guys. And if you guys want to see how I got this look, then you should continue to watch. So my eyebrows are already done off camera. So starting off, I'm going to be taking my NYX HD Studio Concealer in the color CW7 to cancel out the darkness on my eyelids. And next, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the color Fair. And I'm just going to blend that out also. And everything that I'm using, you guys, I am going to link down below in the description. So you guys check down below. So today's color palette I'm using the BH Cosmetics Neutrals 25th Color Shadow and Blush Palette. And this is one of their new palettes. I was like, oh, I have to get it. So I'm taking these two like brown, purple, mauve looking colors. And I'm going to be putting this color in my crease first. I'm going to be patting this in. And then I'm going to take a fluffy BH Cosmetic blending brush. And I'm going to take this orange color and I'm just going to buff that out as my transition color to help blend that color I put on first out. And so I'm going to take this same Fit Me concealer and I'll just put a little bit on my lid, and I'm going to take a flat e.l.f. brush and I'm just going to carve out my lids because I'm going to be trying to do like a cut crease here. Orange, I'm going to be taking this orange shimmer color and I'm going to put this on my lids, and then I eventually went back and used my finger to get more pigmentation. And then I went into this shimmery red color, champagne-y kind of red color, and I used my fingers again to pat that color in. And then I took this brown, the darkest color that's in the palette, and I put this in my outer V, and I go back in with the brush that I applied the crease color and blend that out. Okay, so going to my face, I'm going to be color correcting. I'm using the orange concealer from LA Girl and just blend out my imperfections. And then for my primer, I'm going to be taking my Makeup Revolution, their oil control fixing spray. I'm using that as my primer today. To blend out my pores a little bit more, I'm going to be taking the Baby Skin from Maybelline Instant Pore Eraser. And for my foundation today, I'm using Black Opal's True Color foundation in the color Hazel, I think. Yeah, in the color Hazel. And then I'm going to be also using the Loreal True Match foundation in the color C7. And this is in the color Nut Brown. For my contour, of course, I'm going to be taking my Black Opal True Color foundation stick in the color Suede Mocha. And I'm just going to put this on my cheek. And then I'm going to take a stippling brush from e.l.f. and blend that out. So for highlighting, I'm going back with that NYX HD Concealer. And I'm just going to put this on my face. And yeah, highlight my face with this concealer. under my eyes, my forehead, down my nose. I don't highlight anywhere else. So I'm just going to go in with a sponge, and then I'm going to go back with my Real Technique sponge and further blend that out. So to set my under eye, I'm going to be taking a Sasha Butter Cup to set everything. So to set my whole face, I'm taking my Air Spun translucent powder and my black Opal Deluxe powder in the color dark. I'm going to mix those together and use that to set the whole face. And I'm going to take a flat brush. This brush is from BH Cosmetics. And I'm just going to brush off the powder. And I'm going to use that same brush to buff any more powder I need on my face. And for bronzer, I'm using the Absolute New York bronzer in the color dark. And then for contouring, I'm taking the Shea Moisture foundation in the color Sable. For my blush today, I'm using a blush from the same palette I use for my eyeshadow. And for my highlight, I used a gold shadow from the same palette. I was like, why not use a shadow from the palette? Use a highlight. It's beautiful too. And I go back into contouring my nose. So I use the same contouring powder that I use to contour my face. So you guys, back into my eyes, I'm going to take that orange and I'm going to buff that out under there first. And then I'm going to take this black eyeliner. This is from LA Girl. I forgot the specific name of it. But I line my eyes, and then I'm going to go take that purple brown color and blend that out. And then I'm going to take the darkest color and put that in the outer corner. And for my inner tear duct, I'm going to take the same gold color that I used for my highlight. And I'll just set my face. I finished the rest of my eyes off camera, lashes, mascara, liner, so, you know, yeah. So for my lips, I used a combination of things. So let's jump right in. For my first liner, I used the Nika K, this is from the Recent Part Store, in the color Plum. And then I went over that in the color Brown. As for my lipstick today, I'm using the Ruby Kisses lipstick in the color Aphrodite. So you guys, on top of that, I took the Missy Lynn BH Cosmetic Color Lock, the color Slay on top of that. And so you guys, to add a little bit color to the center of my lips because I was not liking this color on its own. So I took Ruby Kisses Bare Nudes in the center of my lips. And I wanted to add gloss. I don't know what's up with me in gloss. I've just been liking gloss a lot lately. This is just a generic like gloss. And this is pretty much the complete look, you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you won't ever miss another upload. And like this video. It helps a lot. But yeah, thank you guys so much. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.